Want to have an easy access to a X post to make it easy to find it later? I'm Emily, and today in this tutorial, I'll show you how to bookmark a post on X. Let's get started. First, open the application. Select any post that you want to bookmark. At the bottom of the post, beside the like icon, you can see the bookmark icon. All you have to do is simply tap on it. To view the bookmarked post, go back to Home. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Tap on Bookmarks. Here you can find all your previous bookmarked posts. And that is how to add a bookmark to a post on X. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.